You have challenges. NASA has innovation and research to help. Additive manufacturing is being used as the base of applications from diverse industries including aerospace, consumer products, and medicine. Knowing the parts that are produced are of high quality and free of flaws early in the process can save valuable time and research funding. Researchers at NASA Langley Research Center have developed a tool that predicts and controls manufacturing defects. With the use of electron beams, this process helps developers better understand manufacturing flaws and how they form.
This technology thermally detects even the smallest of flaws during manufacturing, so you can make repairs in real time. In some cases, the intelligence will guide you to spot patterns leading to defects, allowing you to correct course before the damage occurs, improving the quality throughout the build. It's like tasting cake batter for perfection before putting the cake in the oven and solidifying your mistakes.
NASA's Technology Transfer Program ensures innovations developed for exploration and discovery are broadly available to the public. To learn more about how the process control electron beam wire additive manufacturing can help with your product development, email lark-techtransfer@mail.nasa.gov.